Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Christy and it is time to cook. And today I'm making for you a classic French bistro sandwich called the Monte Cristo. So you hear French bistro and you think fancy, right? Well, all this sandwich is a mix between a French toast and a grilled cheese, a beautiful combination. Listen, there are many variations in how to make this sandwich. I'm just gonna show you how I make mine. And if you are new here to my channel, I share delicious recipes every single week. So make sure that you subscribe if you have not already. And if you hit that notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So now let me go over these ingredients with you. It's just your eggs and milk to make your custard for your French toast, and then your meat and cheese. Today I'm using a sliced ham, but you can also use a sliced turkey or even a combination of the two. And then today I'm using a Swiss cheese, but you could use cheddar, Gouda, whatever cheese that you prefer, and then your bread. And you can just use a plain old white bread. But when I was in the store, I saw this brioche bread and it was saying, pick me. So I got this brioche because I wanted it to be just a little bit more decadent. And you will also need some butter and some mayonnaise and mustard, which is optional. And then traditionally, it is served with a raspberry jam. You could use strawberry. Today, I actually have a red plum jam that I think is going to be so delicious. So next, let me show you how to assemble this sandwich. So I have 4 eggs and then I have 1 cup of milk. Then you just mix your eggs together and your milk. And then I just add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. So the ratio to egg and milk is 1 egg to 1/4 cup of milk. Now I'm making 3 sandwiches today. It just depends on however many sandwiches you're making to how many eggs and milk, how much eggs and milk you use. Okay, next I have about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and I'm just going to mix these 2 together. So next, I want to show you how to assemble this sandwich, and I am using 3 pieces of bread. So I am going to spread this mayonnaise and mustard mixture on 2 slices of bread. And then this jam, I'm going to spread a thin layer of the jam on 1 slice. And then I'm going to place a piece of cheese on top of each slice. And then I'm going to place a couple pieces of ham on these 2 slices, because I am going to now stack them like so. I'm going to flip this over like so. And here is your sandwich. Now some people choose to cut off the crusts, however I do not. Then the next thing that you will want to do is you just kind of want to press your sandwich down. You can use a plate, but I just kind of take my hands and press it down. Not a lot, just enough to kind of make sure that everything is together. Just about like that. So another important ingredient is your butter, and I'm just going to melt a couple tablespoons into a nice hot cast iron skillet. Okay, you want to have your skillet on a medium to low heat because you don't want to burn your sandwich. And then the next step is to dip your sandwich into this custard. Okay, so I have a plate here with a paper towel, and I'm just going to remove my sandwich and just place on this paper towel just to kind of soak up any extra grease and butter. Okay, so now I'm going to slice this sandwich and show you how beautiful this sandwich is on the inside. Oh my goodness, just look at this sandwich. It is beautiful. What a sweet and savory, delicious sandwich the Monte Cristo is. And then I'm actually going to take some powdered sugar and dust on top. Oh my goodness, this sandwich is beautiful, simple, and delicious, and I love the addition of the jam. Not everybody puts that on their Monte Cristo, and that's fine, but I love it. That is absolutely delicious. I really hope that you give this a try. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.